Good morning, children. We're going to begin our English literature class today. So, this is the first class after your summer vacation. I hope, children, all of you have done your homework, which I gave you all. Yes. Hope you are preparing for your unit test. My syllabus for unit test is over. So I would request you to prepare yourself, learn, write. Okay? So today I'm going to start a poem. It's a Miss Polly. So I would request you, all of you, to listen properly what I'm telling you. First I'm going to explain the poem and then I'm going to read it out for you. Okay? I'll just tell you in short about the poem. Sit down quietly and listen. This is a poem about Miss Polly. Now, Miss Polly, she had one doll, which was Dolly. So, she used to love the doll. And one day what happened? Dolly was very sick. What happened? Miss Polly's Dolly was very sick. So when she was sick, so what happened? When you fall sick, to whom do you go? You go to the doctor. So in this case, what happened? Miss Polly, she got so scared and worried, finding that Dolly is so sick that she called for the doctor, because Dolly cannot get up and not well. So what happened? The doctor has to come in the house for checkup. So when Miss Dolly called the doctor came to the house. So while ringing, Miss Polly told the doctor to come quickly. So doctor came, and doctor came to the house with her bag and one hat. As she came, when people come to your house, what they knock at the door or they ring the bell. So the doctor came and she knocked at the door. Then Miss Polly, she opened the door. The doctor came inside to see whom? To see the Dolly, because Dolly was sick. So that's why Miss Polly called the doctor to come and do checkup. So she looked at Dolly and shook her head, and then when she looked at Dolly, she did the checkup and all. And before doing the checkup, the doctor said, to make the Dolly lie down straight on the bed. You see, when you go for checkup, children, you have to lie down on the bed straight. And what happened? The doctor, with the stethoscope, the machine which they check, with the stethoscope, the doctor checks the chest, back. Okay? So before checking, the doctor told Miss Polly to make Dolly lie down straight. So this is the poem. We are going to see how Miss Polly called the doctor for checkup for her daughter. So I am reading the poem. You read after me. Miss Polly had a dolly who was sick. Once again. Miss Polly had a dolly who was sick. Next. So she called for the doctor. Repeat. To come quick, quick, quick. The doctor came with a bag and a hat. And she knocked on the door with a rat, a tat, tat. She looked at the dolly. Then she shook her head. And she said, Miss Polly, put her straight to bed. So, Miss Polly had what? A dolly. Who was what? Who was sick, sick, sick. So, she was sick, so she called for the doctor to come quick, quick, quick. The doctor came with a bag and a hat. She knocked on the door with rat, a tat, tat. She looked at the dolly. Then she shook her head. And she said, Miss Polly, put her straight to bed. So rat-a-tat is what the noise. When somebody knocks at the door, the noise which comes out is rat, a tat, tat. Once again I am reading the poem, please listen. Miss Polly had a dolly. First, when you read the poem, first you should read the topic. Heading, Miss Polly. Then, listen how I am reading. Miss Polly had a dolly who was sick, sick, sick. So she called for the doctor to come quick, quick, quick. The doctor came with a bag and her hat. And she knocked on the door, rat, a tat, tat. She looked at the dolly. Then she looked and she shook her head. And she said, Miss Polly, put her straight to the bed. So this is the poem. It's very interesting and very nice one because hope you have enjoyed. It's about Miss Polly, all about a dolly and what she did when the dolly was very sick. So this is all about the poem. So you need to learn this poem and you got to learn this poem by heart and see that you write down this poem in your copy. Okay? See and write down it in your copy very neatly. Okay? And on the next day, I will give, at the back you see there are some questions. These question answers I'll solve it and I'll give you the snapshots. And few words from here I'll give for mixed sentences which you got to do by yourself. So for homework, see that you write down this poem and you learn this poem. It's clear to you children? Hope you understood. So before we end, let us read the poem once again. Miss Polly Miss Polly had a dolly who was sick, sick, sick. So she called for the doctor to come quick, quick, quick. The doctor came with her bag and her hat, and she knocked on the door with a rat, a tat, tat. She looked at the dolly, then she shook her head, means to move the head. Okay, shook means to move the head. And she said, Miss Polly, put her bed straight to bed. So, I have told you, learn the poem, write the poem neatly in your copy, and on the next class, I'll give you all the exercises to you all to do, and I'll solve the question answers and give the snapshot. So, have a nice day.